Something just blew on the bike. It doesn't smell good either. That's not good. It won't start. I don't think it'll start. What in the world? Ooh, every time I try to start it, it smells. That's not good, that's not good. That's not good. My freaking bike just died on the freeway. My bike is like smelling. Like every time I try to start it, it wouldn't. I don't know, but I'm glad I stopped when I did, because it immediately died. And now when I try to start it, it just stinks like something rotten. So I can't even try to start it. I'm just gonna have to come back with my truck and figure it out. I'm off the freeway. Right. What in the world? I'm not gonna keep trying to start it for you guys. You saw it. New state, new problems. What's up, boys and girls? We are here at BMW San Jose, where I'm getting the bike back because don't matter the state, bikes are bikes and they're going to give you problems. And we found a whole bunch of problems, but this place got it fixed in, it's a long story, but they told me to make an appointment. I made an appointment for October 3rd. I brought the bike earlier. They got it in and out faster than October 3rd. They spent as much time as I wanted on the phone, just helped me understand the details. They have 7 technicians over here, and they're all good. And we're just going to see how it rides. To eliminate some of the variables, we did take the BMW Tune off, which is back to stage 1. However, if you aren't aware, BMW released a torque mapping for this bike, or this generation bike, and in the torque mapping they increased the 2nd through 5th gear torque in the low RPM range, and you sacrifice a little bit of top end for that. So worst case scenario, I put the BMW Tune back on. But the torque should be improved, and as I understand it from BT Moto and the guys over there, that it's about a 20 horsepower decrease on the top end. So I think it's enough to notice both the improved torque in 2nd gear, and then the decreased speed, decreased horsepower in the higher gear ranges. So we're gonna find out. We got about a 30-mile ride home. These guys are all going out to ride tonight. Apparently this is the last of kind of their bi-weekly Wednesday night runs. So they're gonna go up the hills and all of that. I'm not gonna go because I don't want to wait around. bike definitely feels different. It feels a little more stiff. So we're gonna have to get used to this tune here. It revs different. It's not as touchy on the revs. I'm not the one getting caught. But anyway, yeah, it feels a little different. I'm going to try this Torque Tune out for a while. It's a couple years old, but it's the first I've tried it, so we'll see how that goes. Suspension feels a little different too. I don't think that's related, but that could be a lot of things. So figure that out. It's a beautiful day though. The bike sounds different for sure. I also added a new servo motor, which just kind of refines the way the fuel ratio performs and the excess fuel. So the flapper. Anyway, I know some of you might be a little disappointed about the California move, but you gotta trust me. What's right for me, what's right for the family, and ultimately the channel. Show me how you do, brother. I'll take this side. Spooked here, but I like this guy. He stays to the left, very disciplined. I'd like to see that. You ain't losing nobody, bro. good. Back brake does not feel good. It seemed to pop a wheelie pretty well the first time I put it up, so it was almost quicker than I'm used to. So, I'll have to find the right sweet spot there. Different power curve, completely different power curve. Anyway, while we're going slow here, might be a good time to just say thanks to all the bros. This week, just a couple of days ago, oh nice, very nice. We're gonna have to thank the bros later, bros. That is why we will not be sitting in traffic. However, if I was splitting lanes like I was, I might have been right in that mix. It's nice, you always wave at people that get over for you. Because you want to encourage that kind of behavior. So oh, see a sporty up there. Making moves, folks, and it's legal. You can question the legality of the speed, but this is legal, baby. YouTube, this is legal. It almost feels like easier when it's legal. Going on the 360, huh? What do we got? Kawasaki? Never seen this guy obviously ride, but he's got a slow, steady pace, so. Oh, nice, lady. Also nice. Nice.